It's recording.
Whenever you're ready, Craig. Did you get his name? Did you get everybody else's name too?
Hi, April. I'm Craig.
1.9. She's putting in the 1.9.
Here's the corn.
She's only got so much.
Hell yeah. I don't even know if mine will do it. Oh yeah, yeah. Come on, mess around, fuck around.
When you go in, put it over the top on one side, because you don't have the center.
God, Troy.
I want to play too. Can I play?
Straighten it out, Troy. It's crooked.
Back in the line.
You hooking them, Trevor?
Whoever's driving it.
Okay.
That way you can hook it where you want to hook it and you don't
Let me see, Tristan.
Okay.
One side or the other of the truck.
That's where I was going on mine. You're hooked.
I actually didn't, but I do now.
There you go. Whenever you're ready.
Whenever you're ready, Tristan. Stop digging holes. Oh, he knows all my tricks, so he's good. Give it a head. All right, you're good.
Before we rock the hell out of it.
Back up.
Back up.
That's 0 feet because he didn't get to the 5 mark. Okay. Where's my raker? Right. You're right over here. Watch out, Sean. There you go. Hook her up. I just want to try and avoid big, deep ruts. If they can't pull, we got to shut them down. Yeah, these two Toyotas back to back. One's a hard body, one's a left hand. Yeah.
All the corn.
Whenever you're ready, Sean.
What, make sure I have a 3S in there?
I was just looking to see what type of
Are you hooked
contraption
up?
you got going on, that's all.
Yep. There you go. Your hell, Sean. All right, you're done. Yep. Unhook him. Sean gets, nope, you don't. Yeah, he gets 5.
5 bucks.
5 feet, yep.
5 points.
Unhook it, Sean.
I just flipped it off.
Hook back on. Yeah, just groom it every time. That's what I was trying to do. Yeah. I know everyone's been doing with it.
Back up.
Trying to get those.
Break it first real quick. Get it done.
Oh, that looks nice. No, with the suspension will latch.
You hook it up. That way you hook it where you know it's going to break or fall off, you know what I mean? Yep, line up the sled. Hi.
It was something alright. We were trying to go for 40 miles that day, and I got all the way cut off the deck.
She's going to be pretty upset when I cash out my retirement to build a buggy.
That's the main discussion today.
Yeah, exactly. Dude, so I put 4 quarts of
Whenever you're ready, bud. Oh, she got it! There you go, there you go.
Nice.
Woohoo!
They're checking the fall.
There it goes.
Whenever you're ready, bud. It's so light.
Yeah. You don't have to start right there, you know. You can move it over. Yeah. Just anywhere on the sled. You want to start in that spot, you can. You want to start off to the side, you can. It's your choice. But you can't go out of the bounds. If you go out of bounds, you're done. Look at where you want it.
Where you want to be. Whole thing moved over. Stagger it. We're gonna move the sled back up to the line, so.
Chris, what's your last name?
Auger.
Okay.
Chris A. A. What's your last name, Chris?
Hey, let's get you up to the line. Scoot forward a bit.
P.
Forward.
Point. Point. Pont. Pont. Okay. Yep, no problem. Now hold on. Tony, what you don't know is he did you proud.
Yeah?
Yep.
He's already pulled?
No, he's been pulling Chevys out of the way all day. I'm the end of Jeep, I might add.
Yeah.
All right, tight. You might want to tighten up your line. Yep, there you go. Are you ready? Yep. Go ahead. There you go.
Man, you didn't even think you were gonna make it. Yeah, lock your tail.
Ready?
Am I good to go whenever?
Yep.
Tiny Tire Tony.
Wait a minute, is this the first leaf sprung truck?
Yep.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure.
There we go.
Oh, the extra cap was late.
It's a 10-3.
What do you say?
10-3.
Yeah. Hold on, TT.
Looks like your chain's bound up there.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Go, go. Nice.
Good job!
Damn.
Yeah. Right, whenever you're ready, Andrew.
Go, go, go. Going.
We're working.
Keep it in, Andrew. Keep steering back and forth.
Keep it going, man.
There you go.
Do it.
Before he puts a hole in it and destroys the whole thing.
He's cleaning the track for us. He's cleaning.
Street sweeper.
Tires in the motor.
Hot glued, sewed, and then shrink wrapped.
Lift it up. I got it, son.
He's working for it, Adam's over here. Come on, lipo cut off.
He sounds just like me.
How you won 1 year too.
You guys aren't going to be fucking
Come on,
anxious to
Andrew.
take care of your own truck and get you ready. Like I told you 2 fucking months ago. I'm not doing it. Your truck's ain't ready. I ain't fucking running around like a fucking monkey anymore. Because then it just gets me aggravated. Right. And then I fucking don't even
I'm not giving up. You got it.
I think that was the longest pull in history.
No, Adam had one.
All right.
Yeah, I can tell, huh?
Oh, you recording? Are you recording?
Yep.
Go ahead.
Don't edit that out.
Better get on it.
Good job.
walk in the park.
Okay, you made that.
Line it up like you did last time. Show
off. Probably don't hurt none of that thing weighs 28 pounds, huh?
It's under 12.
Stop calling me out.
I was going to bring it.
You know which one I'm talking about.
Okay.
These people for giant extendo right
He's not the
You know what?
Whenever you're ready.
Gave me a
Good try, man. Try.
Trevor, I just had an idea.
We're here for a sled ball. That's great. Yes, you do.
Boys, what did you do, boys?
Wide rig plate.
Yeah, we did. We didn't bitch on anything, did we?
Sorry. Yeah.
Right down the court.
Hell yeah, man.
You
Bring it back. No, you're doing good, man. Just try to get it centered. That's all. Okay? You're doing a great job with that.
Yeah, sure.
I'll do it.
sick.
Don't be messing with the controller, especially by the truck.
Yeah, I understand.
I was just worried you was getting too far away from it.
My what? You lose the stat?
Oh, I see it now.
Dan. I want my $20.
I know.
Kevin told me to yell at you.
This guy.
Trevor. Where's my $2?
Where's my $2? You can go, man. We're watching. Now, please settle down. Oh! Up!
Freewheeling.
Oh, yeah.
I thought freaking both of us would get further than that.
Yeah, you can take it.
I was so expecting both of us to get further than that. I don't know, for some reason, I don't think I'm running at 100% power. I think my controller, my group suspension, because
She has fucking springs on
I
both
think it's
sides.
out over by ledgestock.
Yeah. Short springs on the upper side, right? So that was better for go on top with it.
Yeah, exactly.
oh yeah.
That's where it's getting. And then once it gets going.
Yeah.
So look, you know where it is?
Yeah, that's,
I literally reconfigured this.
I can't figure
First time
out
I drove it was up here today.
Give her the core. Oh, no.
Get her, bud! Get her!
Hey.
the 10 or 5.
Wow. Adam went full pull. I don't know what everyone's struggling for.
Yeah.
Well, you understand why he's undefeated now.
Yeah.
Yeah, he brought a sleeper though.
Oh, yeah, he does.
You know that's a puller truck.
Have you guys seen the fire truck back here?
Yeah, with the gallon of water
Behind the
on
little
it.
6x6 is the big 6x6.
Fucking gallon.
There we go. Come on, steer it, come on, baby.
Still going. It's still going. It's chugging. There it is.
Right there.
You want to mark
10.
the length on that?
That's 10 feet.
I got how many others to do?
Whenever you're ready, bud.
Start moving, you start getting traction.
Oh, we got one. We got one. Right, it's just right.
Come on, get it. Get it. Good try, man. Good try.
An extra, what is that? 3,000 on top of what is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't.
Whenever you're ready, Adam, put on the show.
Accept it.
Yeah!
Damn.
There ain't no.
I given it a count, so I gave it to Adam.
Hold on, just cleaning the track again.
Yeah.